Hello lovelies, this is the butterfly chain stitch. I've done this in 2 strands of DMC thread. You're going to need 2 parallel lines to keep you on track. Bring your needle up through the fabric and do a small straight stitch. And you're going to do these all the way along these parallel lines in multiples of 3 because that's what the butterfly stitch uses. 3 stitches. Remember, multiples of 3. I've changed to another colour. I'm going to come up in the middle next to that first stitch. And then I'm going to slide under the first 3 stitches. Leave your needle there. Pick up your thread and take it over the needle, under the needle, and then you're going to pull gently through. So you're using a twisted chain stitch there. Pull gently, squeeze those stitches together. Again, you're going to slide your needle under 3 stitches. Don't go back down through the fabric, underneath those 3 stitches. Then take your thread, put it over and then under your needle. And then you're going to pull your needle through. Nice and gently. I'm going to do the next one in slow motion for you, okay? We're going to slide our needle under 3 stitches. Don't go back through the fabric. We're staying above the fabric. You're going to need to get your thread, and the thread that you're using is not the bit near the needle. It's the bit that's just come up through the fabric. So get that. Go over your needle from top to bottom. Go under your needle from bottom to top. Pull gently through. That's your butterfly chain stitch. Go all the way along to the end. Now because these little stitches, the little purple stitches, are quite far apart, they're quite a more splayed version of the butterfly stitch. I've done another example where I've put those straight stitches much closer together, and this gives you a much more compact version of the butterfly stitch. As you can see, it's straight stitches with twisted chain stitch. That's what makes up the butterfly chain stitch. Such a pretty little stitch as well, isn't it? Happy stitching!